Firstly, let me say that I'm indeed excited about the changes that I have noticed here on Koro Island. I was one of as minister responsible then for rural development and national disaster management. I witnessed the devastation that was brought about by Winston on Koro Island. Not only on infrastructure, but on schools, the livelihoods of the people. There was a lot of suffering here on Koro Island after Cyclone Winston. But I'm indeed happy to see the improvements, the developments that have taken place, and particularly government's recovery efforts that was driven by the post-disaster needs assessment.
Come to Koro today, not just to commission new buildings and to officially hand over new boats and freezers to this community. I'm certainly doing that and with great joy, but more importantly, today marks another phase in the rebirth of Koro Island. 4.5 years after Tropical Cyclone Winston flattened every structure on the island and laid waste to most of what the people of Koro had built through years of hard work. It takes a long time to rebuild when you build back better, and build back better we have. We are building back stronger. We are building back with determination to be fully prepared for whatever nature may bring us, and not just to prevail after the next storm, but to emerge from it stronger than ever. Fijians are no strangers to hard times and adversity. We are strong people, by nature and by necessity. I see that strength in the people of Koro. Despite the brutal impacts of Cyclone Winston, you are still here. Winston did not destroy Koro, and it did not destroy Fiji. It made us stronger, it made us smarter, and even more resilient than ever.
Wamini wana kalu. Wamini wana kalu na kena waru takana mate itu binango. Memai taram dona ni memai kurubuli binaka. Liu kima mise buli mo na kurubuli bale waviki na bale kau. Do takana bali buli korong mo kurubuli mbala boto iki. Kona kurubuli mbala ba ko ngemi koto charawan do Winston. Ni to kurubuli kitu sama ru tajin. Meda mai niu ci meda namba meda putal ngami ndona ngon nambalabu ki me mesi wil mai kina ora tamai ki mami ora tuke erna toki ki mami me meda puci mai kuwa ki me mesi ni kila ki mami tala taka ci ndona ngon langon ni mi bawaru cingo ndom pe kana ngona sami ndola bi ni me kurbuli sia ki me mesi simpe di ndoni mo ki mami er suntun manga ora ni me ngas ora toki ki mami ki me ngi mi ndonu ma cingo ndona ngina ki mi marota ne me marota ni me kurbuli go ni na reta ngana lebin tamata tuna lomu ni kurbuli go.
Under the integrated rural development framework, we a few years back had been pursuing the improvements and of course raising the standard of delivery of service, particularly in the rural areas. Our people in the rural areas deserve the best of government services and of course standards as well. That is very, very important. And for us, through the integrated rural development framework, we wanted to improve the services provided by the Minister for Rural Development. Here in Koro, we have under the PA Lomaiviti's office, the Assistant DO's office, and we are thankful that today we have seen one of the best, I would say, buildings and of course the equipment and the standard which has been the new beginning in terms of service delivery for the ministry, and I hope that this will be a benchmark for the ministry in terms of improving its facilities, and of course for us through the institutional strengthening allocation, we have also been trying to better equip our people. So I hope that as the Prime Minister did state in his address, with this improvement in facilities, we also expect and demand that the standard of services improve as well, particularly from government officials, and of course because of the responsibility of the ministry in the integrated rural development framework, we will set the pace, we will set the standard, and of course, me as minister responsible, I demand the best from the Assistant DO's office.